What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for coming in and checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Today is a pretty quick review. I got a solar panel battery tender battery charger deal off Amazon. It wasn't the super cheap one. I don't exactly remember. I'll put the link down below. The price might vary and change. I'm going to open up the product, show you what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and take a look at my trailer, which has a battery for the winch. And we're going to check the voltage now. It's already past noon, so I'm going to hook it up and see what the battery reads tomorrow and see how it goes to see if it's worth buying and if it was a waste of my money. So this is the box it comes in. It's probably 2 foot by 15-16 inches, and it's Sooner Power, waterproof, motorcycle, RV, blah, 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 blah. Because you know how the people on Amazon love to put a million words and stuff. But this is a X002BKIYBZ. Not sure if that actually matches what it says on Amazon. Let's go ahead and open it up. Seems pretty sturdy. Now, the question is, what the hell plug is that? And do they give you the clamps to hook up to the plug with the damn thing? And it looks like they do. So you can backfeed it through your cigarette lighter. So this thing will charge your battery through your cigarette lighter, which does work. They have it where you can hard wire it into something, to a circuit. And then this is the one I'm going to be using for today. You clip it on the battery and you plug it in, and that's it. Here's the instruction manual. It's a BC20 and it has a charger. So it's a solar panel with a charge controller, so it won't overcharge. It's pretty much a battery tender. Total rated output for this one is 20 watts, plus or minus 5%. Anything else important here? Operating current 1.1 amps is a max it'll put out, it looks like. In the directions, it says put red on red, black on black, which is obvious. And then when it's working, the LED indicator that's on the front will blink red. If the LED is solid red, you have the cables flip-flopped. And if the LED is blinking green, it means the solar charger failed to detect that a battery was connected. So there might be oxidation on your battery, whatever. Make sure, scratch it, whatever, clean your battery terminals and then put it back on. It probably will work. And then if that still doesn't blink red, it just says to connect to their customer support team. So let's grab this thing, go outside. Here's the trailer. It's a Jim Glow 20-footer, and it has a winch. So when you break your racing vehicle, you just go ahead and open that thing up and then put the solar panel on top. And what I might do, it has mounting holes, is I might get some sort of standoffs and mount this guy like this. And then under here, you mount the red and black on the red and black wire. Alright, let's see how much voltage the battery has. It's been sitting for a while without it being hooked up. And we're still at 12.6 volts. The trailer just went to full charge right away, so I'm going to use this little crappy Subaru I got. And the voltage is a little lower on this battery. Let's take a look. The voltage is, get your handy dandy meter, and we're at 12.4. So 12.4 is obviously not full. Now we will hook this up and see how it works on this car. I'll check back with this tomorrow, and hopefully everything's charged. This solar panel, I thought it was going to be garbage, to be honest with you. I spent whatever it was, 50, 60 bucks. I really thought it was going to be bad. But to be honest, after having this hooked up to that Subaru that's been sitting, and hooking it up to the trailer, you know, within one normal day, they're all topped off, perfect voltage, everything's good. So I really have no complaints. Now what I'm going to do is I bought these grommets, right? Because I'm going to use this for the trailer to keep the battery topped off. I have these grommets, and I have the nut certs that I've been using, which is a little compression deal that you drill a hole, you push the thing in, compress it, and then poof, you have threads, right? And then fender washers, along with these guys here. So I'll put these here in these areas on the top and on the bottom, and then use that to mount this to the top of the toolbox on the trailer. And then I'm going to run the wire through the closest part of the lid. When you lift the lid, like, it barely moves, right? It's in this bottom corner. I'm going to run the wire there with a little bit of insulation around it so it doesn't chafe, and hook it up to the battery forever. I'm going to put the link below where I got it, which one I got on Amazon. And if you need something, I would suggest it. I think I'm going to have my buddy with this boat have 2 of these that we plug into the cigarette lighters. I think they're on the side here or something. Anyways, plug them into the cigarette lighter, so while he's fishing, he can have 2 of these charging his battery while he has the radio going. So it'll sort of supplement it. Or if he wants to just top off the batteries while he's parked with no radio, no nothing, these things will top off the battery at 20 watts a piece, which is 40 watts for 3-4 hours while he's fishing, and he should never have a dead battery on the open water, and could save him from having a traumatic experience. So hopefully you found this video informative, and I wasn't really expecting much, but like I said, I'm happy with this purchase. And if you want one, check it out below. Until next time, wrench on.